Alright, hello. We are on content standard 50A/50F, where we're creating equivalent vectors on a graph. And we're given the vector AB, where A is -2, 3, and B is 4, -2. So, in my opinion, even on a multiple choice test, the best thing to do is just find your horizontal distance and your vertical distance, just in general. I think it's very helpful, and you'll see why. You can do this in one of two ways. You can either just solve, and you do your 4 minus -2, comma -2 minus 3, and we get 6 comma -5, and that's how we know that now. Or we can count, and we would go from here. We go positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And we would find those. Now, to create equivalent vectors, all we have to do is make sure that whatever we draw on this graph is 6 units to the right, 5 units down. So, for example, if I want to start a point over here, to make sure it's equivalent, I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I don't have a straight edge, but these guys actually are going to be really close to each other. Actually, do I have a straight edge? Let me go ahead and create one with a piece of paper. There we go. So these guys are really close, and you can see they're just gonna be parallel. And that's all you're going to want to do. And anywhere I go on this graph, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lost my track there. And so now I'll draw this guy. An equivalent vector. So what you're going to be looking for, because this isn't like that difficult to draw, but if someone, like a multiple choice situation, where, again, I know that's where you guys are going to be. Sorry, my cat's being a menace over here, and I have to kind of handle that. One thing that you guys are going to be looking at is they're going to give you options, and what you want to look at with these options is see, like, okay, well, which vectors have the same positive horizontal distance or negative, or the same negative vertical distance or positive, right? You just want to make sure that they're the same. And if they're not the same, then you have an issue. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, make sure you come to room E203.